Okay, our next banner type is a very effective way of advertising, and it's called the hover banner. Now, you may have visited websites before that use this type of banner. Basically, as soon as you land on a web page, the whole web page kind of dims, and there's a banner prominently displayed that either you click on and get taken to that information, or you click off of it and continue with the page. It puts it front and center, and the user has to interact with it in order to make a decision. So it is a very effective. Some people have mixed feelings about it, but it is in fact a very effective way to market. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of those look like. So we've got a page here. We're just going to open up, and you're going to see as soon as this page refreshes. So I'm going to refresh it now because it only loads this hover banner when you first arrive to the page. So I've already been to this page earlier, so I'm going to refresh it, and you'll see this banner pops up, and you see how everything else is grayed out in the background of the page. So what happens here is whatever this banner is that you've created comes front and center, highlighted, and if they click on it, it takes them to the sales page with the affiliate tracking. And if they don't want to do anything with this ad, of course they can click this close button or just click anywhere else on the window and it goes away. Okay, so let's take a look at how easy it is to create one of these for your affiliate. We'll go back over here to the Banners Manager, and of course, like all the other banners, you're going to choose Add Banner and then choose Hover, which is right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the one I created earlier. So here it is. All the usual things we need to do. We have to give it a name for the affiliates to recognize. So we're just going to call this Uke Hover. We're going to choose a campaign. This is going to direct it to the correct sales page with the correct commission. And we can choose a banner. Of course, you should always give descriptions here. I've kind of glossed over that in the last couple of videos, but like I said at the very beginning in the overview, the description really tells the affiliate what's involved in this. So this is a good place to tell them this is a pop-up style banner that will display when the customer first arrives to your web page, and whatever else you want to tell them about it. The more information, the better. So the next thing you're going to do is choose your banner size. Now, if you already have pre-existing artwork like I did that you're going to use for this banner, you'll probably already know what the dimensions are. So you can just enter those like I did here, 728 by 90. Or you can choose a predefined size right here, and that's going to tell you what size to make things for the common sizes of advertisements. Now remember, this is a pop-up, so it doesn't actually have to fit into the template of their website, because this is going to pop up above everything else. So really, probably the most useful one is just to create your own size, and whatever size pop-up you want it to be, you'll just go ahead and enter those dimensions in there. After that, we have our banner destination that we always use. We're going to pick whichever sales page that this is going to point to. And this is a nice little option here. You get to choose the opacity of the background behind your ad. So when it pops up, it's going to dim out everything else. And you can choose, I set it to 80. That makes everything pretty dim in the background and really makes the ad pop out. But you can set that yourself as well. And then finally, you come down here and you just put an image in. Couldn't be easier. You can upload it when you click on change image, or I think it's change image either way. Yeah, you just browse on your hard drive, finding the file, or you can use one that's already on that's already being hosted on a website, and enter those in there, and you'll see it appear here, and that's it. You hit save. So that's going to be the ad that pops up over their web page, and if they click on it, it takes them to the sales page and tracks their commission. And finally, they have a thumbnail image here. I didn't use the thumbnail image. This is just to show up inside the affiliate network so they can kind of get a little preview thing, but it already generates a dynamic preview, so you can use this if you want to. I didn't want to be bothered with making another image as the thumbnail. So anyway, that's all there is to the hover banner. You just choose save and you're ready to go.